those who have come down for quarantine come and taken facility of quarantine तेजेर स्कॅम आहा म्हणून हॉटेल ओनर्सान ऑलरेडी डिक्लेअर केले. आमी पयले करताले एक्शन कितें आमकां जाणता पडटा. आज by the way today's position as far as quarantine for those people who don't know, quarantine test आता on the spot घेताय आणि आता institutional quarantine देखून almost for few hours they are doing that on the spot test. So I think that is relief for the public at large. So this is one of the things which we were demanding right from the beginning. You take a test, keep them for some time and send them off. But test delay crop, don't this thing, this cut off. That was also part of the whole plan of action to take money from the people or rather जे गरजेवंतांक घालपापा सुवातेर तांकां पयशे खावपाचे ही प्रयत्न चालू केला.
Who are these middlemen? From it is from outside
See,
government or within the government?
It is, we have filed a complaint. It is the duty of the government. It is the duty of the government. It is the duty of the government to find out who has done it and bring it in front of the public. If the government doesn't show it, shows its connivance and connivance.
Okay, the death toll has crossed over 50 now. Very serious because the green zone म्हणटाले आता खंय पावला ते आमकांच कळना.
53 जाले, 54 I think so. I am also not the figures आता हे जावपा लागले. आमी पयले सान सांगताले कितें म्हणून प्लीज let what not happen in Maharashtra and Delhi happen in Goa. Be prepared. Take up two hospitals, one in the north, one in the south, with dedicated centers where सगळ्याक हें जाय कितें तांकां कडेन हार्ट केअर आसपा जाय, तांकां कडेन लिवर किडनी सगळे युनिट बारबो आसपा जाय सो दॅट दे शूड नॉट एलाइड सिकनेसीस तांकां इफेक्ट जावपा जायना फॉर द डेथ्स. द होल आयडिया वॉज टू सी दॅट डेथ्स डोंट ऑकर. डेथ जालें काय ना लोकांक भंय पडटा. आज भुरगे मरो लागले हें आमी प्रिडिक्ट केलोलें. आमी पयलें सावन सांगताले हें जावपा दिना काय म्हण बट कोण आयकनालो भिवपाक गरज ना म्हणटाले. आज सगळे लोक सांगता त्या कितू भिवपाक गरज आहा ती लोक सांगता आमी सांगनाय.
And last issue that two of your supporters have come in support of you as far as the vote for the issue is concerned.
I will reply to this, all this at the right time. But I don't reply to that person. We are going to reply to the people of Goa. I don't want to speak anything more. All replies will be given to you at the right time. Scam means the hotel owners only have themselves said.
Yeah, before
we were saying before only.
Yeah.
That J Hotel 1100 list आलेले एशें कोन्न केले hotels list केलेले 1100 hotel आसलेले 2000 आसले 2500 आसले 1100 जर hotel मेळटा मडगांव कोलवा I am talking of South Goa जाल्यार रेट hotel कित्याक 2000 2500 कित्याक same in that same range only and in the same places only same type of hotel. हेजे कोट्टालें की कितें जालें आहा आनी एक गोश्ट कोट्टाली की in that list of hotels उणे रेटा हॉटेल घालप नाही एक्स्ट्रा रेट 2200 ते लिस्टान दाखोवप. लोकां सारके पॅन्डेमीक टायमाचेर लोकांगेर गोड उडोवपाचो हे प्रयत्न केला. हेजेर गव्हर्मेंट शूड कम क्लीन. वी हॅव फायल्ड आवर कंप्लेन्स. इट्स आवर ड्युटी एज अ ऑपोजिशन टू फायल कंप्लेन्स. इफ दे डोंट एक्ट that means they show their connivance. This government is not for the people. This government is for looting the public money.
Approximately the amount of the scam will be.
See, if you go to see one, there were about 6,000 people which came. 7,000 people. 7,000 into 500 rupees is 35 lakhs or 3.5 crores will be the total scam. So 7,000 or 8,000, maybe maximum 10,000 people. 10,000 निघून जाल्यार 5 रुपयान 5 crores scam.
So one more thing, the Churchill has said that government doesn't have the fund to build a COVID hospital. How you see for that?
It is like this. 100 crores येयले हेजे कित्याचे वेटाचे प्रायोरिटी कितें कोविड हॉस्पिटल. कितें रेवेन्यू येता तो पयलीं सद्याक तुगे घरांत जर तर तूं 2000 येता पयलीं गरजे घातलो काय आनी कोणाक घातलो?
सर फाटीवर
गरजे घातलो काय कोणाक घातो तूं? गरज आहा तेक घातो न्ही. गरज आहा तेक घालना. नाक तेक पयशे मोडटाय जाल्यार केश को पावतलें. सो 100 crore नंतर 100 crores तुले 10 crores सारकें गेले जाल्यार 15 कोटी गेले जाल्यार म्हाका सद्दां बरें हॉस्पिटल डेडिकेटेड येता. बाय डेडिकेटेड हॉस्पिटल नाका तुका नॉय करपाक. रेक्विजिशन केल्या पुरो. तुवें एक्ट लायलो आहा, तुवें सगळें लायलो आहा. देर इज नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ बिल्डिंग अ न्यू होटेल. रेक्विजिशन करपाचें. रेक्विजिशन करपाक मनीबल आहा नॉर्थान तेजी लँड पासून डोनेटेड लँड हे टायमाचेर तांकां डोनेटेड लँडान हॉस्पिटल चलता कमर्शियल. हे गरजे टायमार जाता तें हॉस्पिटल पावना गोंयकारांक जाल्यार रावन येना कितें सांगपाचें. वाय दीस गव्हर्मेंट इज नॉट डुईंग इट शोज मालाफायड शोज दॅट दे आर नॉट इंट्रस्टेड इन द पब्लीक. आनी एक गोश्ट पयशे ना तेन्ना तुवें कितें करपा जाय. हितू रीण काड तूं 200-300 कोटी एवरी 15 days काड तूं नाजाल्यार हॉस्पिटल येना जाल्यार आय डोंट नो वॉट हॅज टू से. द स्टेट्स केरला हॅज गिवन फ्री लायक दॅट हे भाशेन गोवा कर म्हूण. आनी वन ऑफ द रिजन हें कर म्हूण सांगपाक क्वॉरंटायन स्कॅम जाता म्हूण. हांव पयलो सावन उलयतालो की हें स्कॅम जातलें जाता म्हूण. आनी हांव उलयल्लो हांव पयलीं उलयता म्हूण मागीर लोक उलयतले म्हूण. आज लोक उलयन काबार जाले. हॉटेल ओनर्सान स्टार्ट केलें उलोवपाक. स्टील नो एक्शन. Today I have given a letter to Chief Secretary. I went to Chief Secretary's office, personally gave a letter. I have written to the Chief Minister today, personally written to him today ki तेजेर आतां जो पर्सन all those who are involved, action has to be taken against them. The money that extra has been taken and some agents have taken has to be returned back to the people. जे लोकांनी इतले त्रास काडून इतले कश्ट करून ते भायर गेले, ते त्रास जाला, तेंगे जॉब्स गेले, थोड्यांक जेवण मेळना सारकें, थोड्यांक फ्लायट ऑल्सो देखून मेळना. गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ इंडियान जावं गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवान एअरपोर्ट सुद्दां क्लोज दवरलो. सो मच प्रॉब्लम्स दे हॅड. आनी क्वॉरंटायनाचे कोण पयशे करता. इट इज कम्प्लिटली रॉंग. वी कम्प्लिटली डिनावन्स दीस. आमी तेजेर निश्चित करतात हें काम आमगे गोंयकारां पावलें. जे कोण स्टँडर्ड आहाय ते गोंयांत येयले. आतां आख्खे इंडिया गेले. थोडे केरला गेले, थोडे महाराष्ट्रा गेले. दे हॅव इवन गॉट प्री क्वॉरंटायन इन केरला. महाराष्ट्र दे हॅव नॉट गॉट. बट वॉट एवर मनी हॅज बीन सिम्फन्ड ऑफ बाय मिडल मॅन has to be returned back to the owners. Finish. That's it. That's our demand. And this action, to take it, we have written both to the Chief Minister as well as the Chief Secretary.
तुम्ही टाइम लिमिट बाकी उरताले.
Time limit, government is turning a blind eye. The government has become blind, it has become deaf, and it has become insensitive to the interest of the public.
This middleman is
And one second, let me, and one more thing is that they are not ready to take action on these people. Shows that the connivance between them if they don't take action. Misplaced priorities is the state of governance of this government. हेजेर आनी मायज म्हाका कांय उलोवपा नाका. गव्हर्नन्स पॅलस म्हणटे पयलीं बरें आहाय, जायें काय हॉस्पिटल जायें, यू हॅव आन्सर्ड युअर ओन क्वेश्चन.